Hi class, this is Eunice from your EDUC 631, and today I will be demonstrating how to share your files using Google Drive. So the first thing you need to do is select Internet Explorer or Google Chrome. I am working out in Windows 8, and as you see at the bottom of the page, I have the application, Google Chrome, Gmail, Google Search, Google Docs, and YouTube. So it doesn't matter what Windows you're working out, just make sure you either select Google Chrome or the Internet Explorer. Once your browser come up, just go ahead and type in Drive google.com in the search engine. And as you see here, Google Drive and Google are affiliated with one another. So you need to make sure that you have a Gmail set up so you can have access to your Google Drive. So make sure that you type in your password. And once you type in your password, go ahead and sign in. And as you see in the middle of the page, these are the previous documents that I have created using Google Drive. To create a new document, you need to hit the create button, which is underneath the drive, and you're going to select document. And on your screen, you should see untitled document, and what you see on the screen is similar to Word, Microsoft Word. You have your file, your edit, your view, your insert, your format, your tools, your table, and help. So you go ahead and create your document, and my document is EDUC 631, how to share your files using Google Drive. So once you completed creating your document, as you see here, all changes save in Drive. So in other words, you do not have to hit the save button or save as, because the document is automatically saved in Drive. There's two ways that you can share it. You can click on the file and hit share, or if you come to your name and underneath your name, you'll see the share button, and only you can access. So I'm going to use the drop down. So I'm going to file and I'm going to hit share. You can name your document or you either can skip it. So I'm going to name my document as EDUC 631. And make sure you hit save. And once you hit save, as you see on your screen, you should see sharing settings, which provides a link for the people that you want to collaborate with or share your document with. You can share your link via Gmail, Google, Facebook, and Twitter. And also in the middle of the page on your screen, you should see who has access. You can go to change the settings. Visibility options, you can share it with people on the web publicly. You can share it with anyone with the link, and also you can privately share it. And that's for the ones that you select. So if you need to change anything, you can change it. It's all up to you. Alright, so I'm going to share privately. And as you see here, I am the owner. That is displayed. And the people that you want to email it to is going to say invite people. So what I want to do is go ahead and put my name. And then next to invite people, you have a drop down box. People can edit, can comment, and can view your documents. Also, you can notify people via email. You can add a message. or you can discard the message. You can send a copy to yourself, paste the item itself into the email, and once you get done selecting the settings, you can share and save. If you do not share and save or hit this green button here, it's not going to share anything with the people that you selected or typed in. Okay, I hit share and save. And if you need to add anything, you can add, well, if you need to add any names, email, or groups, you can add it here before you hit done. Once you hit done, your document is shared. So I'm going to go ahead and hit done. And to make sure that your document has been sent or you have a copy for yourself, you're going to hit this Google Drive icon to the left of your document name. And it's going to pull your Google Drive back up on the screen. You can see that I have EDUC 631 on the screen. And I'm going to go ahead and click on it to make sure that's the correct document. And it is EDUC 631, how to share your file using Google Drive. So I'm going to go back to Google Drive. And then if you feel like you don't want that in your Google Drive, you can go to the file, go to the file to the left of the star. You're going to click on the square, and you can also delete or remove the file. Thank you for your attentiveness of listening to how to share your documents using Google Drive. Thank you so much, class, and I will talk to you later.